Hi, my name is Elaine Kieler. A senior here at Iowa State, majoring in sociology and business. I'm from Dubuque, Iowa, and I've been driving here at CyRide for almost a year now. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our bus service here in Ames. It's funded by Iowa State University, Iowa State's government of the student body, and the city of Ames. We offer 3 basic services. The first is CyRide, which is a premium door-to-door service offered for our handicapped and elderly citizens. Our second service is CyRide, which runs Friday and Saturday nights from 10:30 p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. This is also a door-to-door service, and it's free. Our final service is fixed routes, which through 7 color and number-coded routes would cover over 95% of Ames. Basically, if there's any place you or your students need to get in town here, we can get you there. We're different from any other bus system you might have come across in the past. Our buses are neat and clean. We're always on time, and over 75% of our drivers here are students at Iowa State. Also, this helps your students out because chances are we've been in their feet in their place before. We know their problems, we're familiar with them, and we can help them out. Let me see. Parking here at Iowa State is kind of, treacherous, you might say. Insurance rates here, for one thing, in Ames are a little bit higher than other places in the state. You can't get on campus. We have security gates. It's basically a pedestrian campus. The only people allowed on are CyRide vendors and a few other authorized people. We have kind of infamous parking systems here. Last year they issued over 80,000 parking tickets. They usually run around $15 a piece. It gets really expensive. I didn't have a card on here my first 3 years. I took the bus to get out to the mall, to get to my job, basically any place. It worked really well for me. It's pretty inexpensive to take the bus. It's 30 cents a trip if you have a current registration receipt or a fee card. Or another pretty popular option is a $48 unlimited semester pass. This allows your students to take the bus anytime, any day. We run from 6:30 in the morning to midnight, 7 days a week. Right now, CyRide is undergoing a $1.4 million expansion. We received 3 new buses about a week ago. And last year in November, we received an award for being one of the top 5 bus companies in the United States. We really try to do a good job to serve the community. I think, we do a pretty good job at it. I hope you guys enjoy your tour tonight. I'll turn this over to your tour guide.